This is Alim Bargato from Javelin Technologies. A quick addition to the previous video where I showed you how fast you can open an assembly in large design review mode. And I suggested you voted for 2 ideas in the top 10 for the 3D Experience World 2021. Hopefully we can add this in the next version of SOLIDWORKS. So one of the things I showed you is that you can actually select an assembly directly in the tree. And now in this video, I can show you that you can add the 2 icons directly on the context toolbar. So if I want to open this subassembly in large design review mode, I simply open it directly from there. The other thing is if I want to open multiple subassemblies, so let's say this one, and this one, I control select them, I press the open LDR mode, and SOLIDWORKS is going to open each and every one of these assemblies in large design review mode. The second icon is opening the drawing of the corresponding component in detailing mode. So let's click on it, and you can see how easy and how fast that happens. Mind you, you can do this with multiple components. You can select multiple assemblies and quickly open their drawings in detailing mode. So please vote on those ideas. Thank you.